This is the Dollemore Daily, and I'm Jesse Dollemore. Well, early Saturday morning, an explosion ripped through a suburban Minneapolis mosque. Luckily, there were no injuries, although the imam of the mosque and his office was specifically targeted. Since early Saturday, President Donald Trump has tweeted a total of 33 times. And inside of those 33 tweets, he tweeted once to thank a fake/bot account for its support. 10 times he attacked this country's constitutionally protected free press, or talked about fake news, and 4 times he tweeted personal attacks on a member of Congress. You want to know what he hasn't tweeted about or even whispered a breath about since the bomb exploded, terrorizing that suburban Minneapolis town? Yeah, that's right. The bombing on American soil perpetrated on an already vulnerable community. What he did do, though, was send his fake terrorism expert, Sebastian Gorka, out to do an interview. And it was in that interview that he said that Donald Trump hadn't made mention of the despicable mosque bombing because, quote, all initial reports are wrong, unquote, and that there was a good chance that this was, now wait for it, because I'm going to let Gorka say it.
People fake hate crime.
Yeah. He's claiming that Donald Trump is just acting out of an abundance of caution, waiting for a thorough investigation. Trump isn't waiting to say something till an investigation. When has Trump ever done something patient or prudent or reasonable for that matter? The fact is that the governor of Minnesota has already declared this an act of terror. And also, even though before any investigation had been undertaken, Donald Trump tweeted his support after the most recent terror attack in London. I guess the difference in this Minnesota case is that the intended victims, they weren't white people. They weren't Christian people. You see, if Donald Trump had his policy druthers, these are the people, these are the types of folks who wouldn't stand a chance of entering our country at all. This White House, with phony experts like Sebastian Gorka giving counsel to historically stupid men like Donald Trump, is dangerous for you and me and the rest of the free world. It is going to take a while to put together a case to extricate Donald Trump from office, but it's not too early to demand Gorka be sent back to being the most disrespected terrorism expert in the field. Hey everybody, thank you so much for checking out my channel and this video. If you like what I do here and you appreciate it, go ahead and click subscribe. And if you really like it and appreciate what I do and you'd like to join my Patreon family, there's another link there for that. It's not just for the podcast. It's also for YouTube. Thanks a lot.